Smith Shirley House, circa 1905, built in the colonial revival style. This house was contracted in April of 1905 to be built for Mrs. Lena Smith, in accordance with the architectural plans of William Howell Patton of Parkersburg, who designed several other houses in the Julia Ann Square Historic District. The house was designed as a 10,000 square foot duplex townhouse, brick veneer dwelling. The specifications were strict and precise. Some of the conditions stated in the original contract read as follows. The contractor is to give his personal superintendence to the work, keep a competent foreman on the premises at all times, and furnish all materials, all the painting and finishing to be done in a strictly first-class manner without exception. The specification contract was filled with such detailed language to ensure the highest quality of craftsmanship for this new home in a new century. In 1993, when Pamela Aletha Shirley purchased the property at 113 West 12th Street, the house was frightening to most onlookers. Standing at the front door, one could see clear through the house to the back door. Standing on the third floor, one could easily view the basement. The house had been gutted and was left a hollow shell. Antique woodwork no longer available had to be recreated. Fireplace mantels had to be remade. The house is now beautifully restored. An impressive entry hall leads to the formal parlor. Behind this are a dining room, then a den, and a modern, well-equipped kitchen. The present owner added a large entertainment room with a bar at the rear of the house.